This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Segerstrom Bedroom BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01896691. Tri-Plex in Downtown Sonora. Located near the historic Dome building and convenient to all downtown amenities. Each unit is 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and has own laundry hookups. Each unit is currently rented. If you've been looking for an investment property, make sure to check this one out. For more information, review the details below or contact Segerstrom Bedroom BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01896691 at 209-753-8448.